Hello there, welcome to DAP. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you for joining me today. Now, this is a short mini course. It's all about membership sites. And lesson number 1 was all about membership site misconceptions, some of the common mistakes people make when they start a membership site, mistakes that you should avoid, and also, what's the best way, or at least one of the best ways to build and launch a membership site and set it up for long-term success. I talked to you about that in lesson number 1. And this is lesson number 2, where I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use our membership plugin, DAP, to create and offer your lead magnet. This is exactly what I talked to you about in lesson number 1, which is, don't work on your membership content if you don't have an audience. Now, if you already have an audience, you already have a successful membership site, by all means, skip this lesson, skip this course. You don't need to watch it. But if you're new to membership sites, or you have a membership site and you're not having success with it, be sure to watch all the lessons in this course. Even if you have not watched lesson number 1, be sure to go back and watch it. There's no dependency, like you can still watch this lesson and go back and watch the previous lesson, but be sure to watch all the lessons in this course. It's going to help you. So first, let's talk about list versus audience. A list is just a collection of contacts, right? You may have like 200 people on your list. That doesn't mean anything, right? They're just a bunch of people, bunch of contacts on your email list. That doesn't matter, because the main thing that matters is, do you have an audience? An audience is where, you have nurtured the relationship and you have built a connection with the people that are on your list. They're not just a bunch of contacts on your email list, right? They're real people. And so these people, you have built a relationship of trust with them. They believe in you. They like your content. They are eager to hear more from you. And it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to do that, right? You have to repeatedly, you got to show up. You got to help them. You got to communicate with them, right? So once you have added people to your list, that's the first step. You got to add people to your list first, right? So you have to do that. You cannot skip that step. But once you have done that, you don't go from that directly to your membership offer. There's no point, no matter, how great of an idea you have for your membership site, and that people need it, that they want it. It doesn't matter, because if you don't have an audience, no one is going to sign up for it, right? You're not going to have success with it. Also, if you can't get people to sign up for your free stuff, you're not going to be able to convince them to buy your paid content, right? You're not ready for that yet. So do things in a specific order, steps, right? First thing is to build your list and then nurture that relationship, set up a solid follow-up sequence, communicate with them often, engage with the people on your list, and, offer free consultation calls, do whatever it takes to build a relationship of trust and connection. It does not happen overnight. It takes time to do that. Once you have done this, right? Once you know exactly, how to get people to sign up, what to say on your opt-in page, how to get people to believe in your stuff, and how to get them to sign up for your content, then how to nurture that relationship. Once you have done that, right, you can do anything. Here's a rough timeline in terms of, when you can start working on your paid content. So you have signed up for DAP and you want to start your membership site now. So first thing is, you want to create your lead magnet content, whether it's a checklist, it's a PDF report, it's an ebook, template, training, mini course, challenge, whatever it is that you want to offer as a lead magnet, you want to start working on that content first, right? Because that's the first thing you're going to need. And you want to productize it and offer it from your site to build your list. Roughly, it should not take you more than 1 week to do this, right? Max 1 week. Because if it's taking you more than 1 week to create your free content for your freebie, then, that's not the right content, because your lead magnet ideally should be something your users can easily consume, and it should not take them more than 5-10 minutes to consume it. It is something that's going to deliver a quick win for them, and they're not going to spend a whole lot of time consuming it. If you create a 50-page guide, no one is going to read it. So there's no point in that. So you want to create something really quickly, something valuable, but you want to create it in less than 1 week. Next thing is you want to publish it on your site. So what are the things you have to do to publish the lead magnet on your site? You're going to need an opt-in page, right? That's a landing page. That's where you're going to talk about your lead magnet offer, what it does, how it can help them and stuff like that, right? So you got to create your opt-in page. You got to create a thank you page. This is the page where you're going to send them after they sign up for your freebie. You're going to need a sign-up form so that they can sign up for this freebie that you're giving away for free, right? So you need to generate a sign-up form. The other thing you're going to need is like a product, right? Because we are going to productize it using DAP. So you're going to create a product in DAP. You're going to make this content part of this product. Then you got to set up your welcome email in DAP, and you got to generate a sign-up form. And the cool thing is, like, DAP does all of this for you, right? You don't have to create an opt-in page or thank you page or sign-up form, any of that manually. Everything is done by DAP. So it's not going to take you more than like 3 days to do this. So give yourself, 3 days to set up your product in DAP, productize it, and DAP is so easy now. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. Once you have done this, next step is to set up your follow-up sequence in your email platform, right? So that you have a solid welcome series. Say that you spend 3 days on setting up your follow-up sequence. That's it. So we are looking at, just 2 weeks to do all of this. And also it's going to help you understand the tech, implementation, how to get a product launched from your membership site. So you're going to learn so much in the process of just getting your lead magnet published. Now I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use that to offer your lead magnet. Let's take a look. So there are 2 things I'm going to show you today in this lesson. Number 1, say that you already have your lead magnet content. It could be a PDF report, ebook, checklist, worksheet, template. You have the content for your lead magnet. And what you want to do is offer it from your membership site. Basically, what you want to do is centralize it and offer it all from your membership site, freebies, paid products, everything. And you're starting with a lead magnet. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how you can take your content, how you can productize it, how you can protect it, and how you can get DAP to deliver it. And another thing I'm going to show you is say that you don't yet have a lead magnet, right? And you want to create a lead magnet. How you can use DAP to actually create your lead magnet. DAP also has this feature where it can use AI to create your PDF report. So you don't even have to create it manually. DAP will create it for you. Let me show you how you can take your free content, productize it, and offer it from DAP. All right, so this is the backend of DAP. And here, when you click on DAP in the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard, it's going to bring you to a page like this. And you're going to see the screen if you're new to DAP and you don't yet have any products. It's going to say create your first product. If you already have products, it's going to show you all the products you have so you can edit it. And also a button that you can click to create new products. All right. So here I'm going to click on create your first product. Let's create member-facing pages. When you run a membership site, you're going to need a few member-facing pages, right? These are required pages so that your members can log in, they can access the products they have signed up for and stuff like that. So login page is where members log in from. Member dashboard is the page to which you redirect users after they log in. And this is the page where DAP will show them all the products they have, all the courses they have, and it will also show them stuff they don't yet have. So it is fully customizable in the backend. You can configure what you want to show in your dashboard, right? This is member pages right here, and you can access it from here. You can update it after DAP creates these pages for you. Whatever you want to update, right? You can go here and you can update it. You're not going to be stuck with, the default configuration. You can always update it. My content page is the page where, if you have a membership and you offer several pieces of content under the membership, then my content is the page where they will find all the content that belongs to a product. And that's the My Content page. Again, DAP will create it for you. You can always update it if you want. My Account page is the member profile page where users can update their account details, email, password, billing details, right? So all that. Error page is the page where DAP will send users if they try to access content to which they don't have access. And DAP makes it really easy for you to create these member-facing pages, and you can fully customize it. It's going to look amazing. All you have to do is give it a name right here. This is something you just have to do once. You don't have to keep doing it again and again for each one of your products. So all of this is done by DAP. So let's go ahead and create these pages. Done, right? All these pages are ready and you can always update it right here, or you can go here. You will find all the pages right here and you can update it. All right, next. What are you looking to create today? So today we are looking to create a product, right? We are looking to create a lead magnet. In this case, I want to create a lead magnet. I already have my lead magnet content, whether it's a PDF, checklist, template, select this one. Let's go ahead and select that. Let's create your product. Are you looking to create a free or a paid product? Free product. And do you want to create it from scratch or you want to use AI to create it? So in this case, we already have the content. We already have the lead magnet, which is a PDF report, checklist, whatever, right? So you have it. And all you want to do is create the product and you want to make this content that you have already created part of this product, right? So create from scratch. So here I'm going to select this one. Next. All right, let's set up your product. So what's the name of the product and product description? So I'm just going to call it, for example, the Ultimate List Building Guide. I'm just making this up and you can give it a name and you can always update the name and description later. All right, so this is a DAP product builder. And it's really simple. As you can see, there are just a few steps. Complete these steps and you're done, right? You're going to have your lead magnet ready and you would have fully productized it. And DAP would have created the opt-in page, thank you page, everything for you by the end of this. So let's go ahead and do this step by step. Step 1 is, what's the name, description, upload an image for your product. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, done. Save and next. Step 2 is billing and access. In this case, this is a free product. And if you want to convert it into a paid product, right, the steps are super simple. All you have to do is switch it, right? Switch it to paid. That's it. And now it becomes a paid product and you can set the price, right? Product price. And in the page builder step, now you can create a sales page and payment button. And if you switch it to free, there is no payment here. And the other thing is in the page builder step, it will now let you create an opt-in page and a sign-up form because it's not a sales page, right? That's pretty much it. That's the main difference between free and paid products. Anyway, so we're going to take a look at paid products in more detail in the next lesson. So for now, we are going to just take a look at how to do your freebies using that, all right? So in the billing and access step, it's already set up as a free product, allow free sign up, yes. Access duration, is it going to be limited time access? If yes, for how many days you want to give them access? You can do stuff like this in DApp. Or you can say it's lifetime access. If they sign up for this freebie, they get lifetime access to it. So it's up to you how you do this. All right, step number 3 is assign and protect content. What content belongs to this product? Now, this is where you let DApp know this is my product, this is my lead magnet product, and this is what they're going to get when they sign up, right? Your content, the lead magnet content. You can upload your files here. This way, DApp will protect it, and DApp will make sure that only people that are registering and signing up for this product get access to this freebie, all right? So here, click to protect content. You can see there are 2 options. You can select existing WordPress content, protect it, and you can say this lead magnet is made of all of this content, right? You can add 1 or more pieces of content and make it all part of your lead magnet. You can select existing content or you can add other content. And so if you want to do like a PDF report template or something that you want to upload, then this is what you need to do, right? Go to add other content and upload it. So let's go ahead and upload a PDF here. All right, so I have uploaded my PDF here. Done, right? So this is a PDF report here, and this is just a dummy PDF report because I just want to show you how to do this. All right, go ahead and save it. Done. You can see here, it's now protected and it's part of this product. You can give it a name here, and you can drip it out if you want. That's another option we have where you don't want all the content to be available right on day 1. Then you can do this. You can click on edit drip setting and you can update it here, right? You can say it's instantly available. It's available on day 2, day 3, whatever you want. All right, save and next. Next step is your welcome email. This is the email they're going to get after they sign up for your freebie. You can send them the login URL and these merge tags to send them their email and password. DApp will automatically generate an account for them, an email and password. DApp will do it. All you have to do is use these merge tags to send them their email and their password and let them know that they can log in to access whatever they have signed up for, right? That's it. So you can update the contents. Your account has been activated. Whatever you want to say, you can update it. Make sure to send them their login details in this email. So if you want to make it a double opt-in product, you can do that where users have to activate in order to access the content. And you can also connect that with your email platform using the automation engine. And you can do that in DApp products. You can go to manage automations. You can set up all your automation rules there. You don't have to do it now. Next step is follow-up emails. This is a lead magnet, right? When someone signs up, they get the welcome email, but you want to continue to nurture the relationship with them, which means you need to set up a follow-up sequence in your email platform. Next is the rules tab. So this is where you can let DApp know, what happens when someone logs in? Where do you want to send them? What happens when someone tries to access the content in the membership dashboard? So all that stuff, you can set up the rules here. It's already here. You can see when someone logs in, they are sent to the member dashboard. Always send them to the dashboard because that's where they can access all the products, not just this lead magnet, but anything else they sign up for under the same account, same email, same password. But when they log in, they will find everything they have under that account. So that's what you want. Always send them to member dashboard. And you can always update the settings right here in all member pages. You can update it. So this one is access content. Now, if you have multiple pieces of content that you offer, then in that case, send them to the My Content page. This is another page, member page that DApp created initially, right? And you will find it here under member pages. So this is already there and this is already set up. So you can always send them here if you have multiple pieces of content. Otherwise, what you can do is in this case, there is just one, right? There's just one PDF. So you can copy the link to the PDF and go to the rules and update this to send them directly to the PDF. This is what I like to do. When they go to the dashboard and say, okay, I'm ready to access this content, there's no need to add additional layers, right? So send them directly to the PDF. That's what this will do. So enter the URL of your PDF here. This is your login page and that's it. Next. Now it's time to create an opt-in page and a thank you page and a sign-up form, and that will complete everything. All right, so let's go ahead and create an opt-in page. You want to create using AI or you want to do it manually? Let's use AI. Do you want to use ChatGPT or you want to use API calls to do it? You can use ChatGPT, super simple. But in this case, I'm going to just do API call. So what's the name of the lead magnet? This is the lead magnet. What does it help people with? And then Next, so DAP is creating the opt-in page content for you. And what it does is it splits it into a few different sections. First thing is like problem identifying question, then it's solution introduction, then it's benefits and value, then it's visuals and stuff like that. So DAP will build out step by step, it's going to build out your opt-in page. All right. So you don't have to change anything here. Just click on next. All right. So here are some of the headline ideas. Pick one. I'm going to select the second one. Next. Solution introduction section. It's now building out the second section of your opt-in page. I'm going to just use the defaults. You don't have to change it, but if you want to, you can. Now select what you want to add to your solution introduction. So you already said, are you tired of this? So now you're introducing your solution, your lead magnet. So select one. I'm just going to select this one. Next. Next thing is benefits and value. Why should they sign up for your lead magnet? What's in it for them? So that's what this one is. Again, I'm not going to change the prompt. I'll just use the defaults. Next step is upload visuals. So here you can upload visuals that helps them visualize what they're going to get. And that will really help you, so instead of just using random stock images, use visuals that helps people visualize what they're going to get. So take a screenshot of whatever you want to offer, use Canva to make it look nice and add it here, upload it here, right? And you can always update it later, right? You don't have to do it now because what DAP will do is it will create an opt-in page for you in WordPress. Then you can directly edit the WordPress page, use your page builder, you can make it look nice. You can do whatever you want, but DAP will create the content for your opt-in page. All of this will be on your opt-in page and it's just a regular page in WordPress. You can always update it. All right, call to action. I'm just going to select the first one and next. That's it. You can see here, you can preview the content here, you can update it here, or you can get DAP to generate the opt-in page and directly update the content in WordPress. That's up to you. All right, so why do you need this guide? Here's how it can change your life. With this ultimate list building guide, you will be able to do this. And so everything is here, all the sections that we had, right? So next, now it's time to create an opt-in form, the sign-up form, so that you need a sign-up form so your users can sign up. There are two different options. You can use SQB, which is our quiz plugin, amazing quiz plugin. And you can use that and DAP integrates with it. It will generate a sign-up form, a pop-up sign-up form. So users can click the button and say, get instant access, and they can sign up. Or you can just use DAP's simple opt-in form. You can do that too. So here I'm going to use SQB. And do you already have a thank you page? No, I don't. DAP will create this thank you page for you with some basic content. All of this you can update later. Done. You can see here, this is your opt-in page. This is your thank you page. This is your opt-in shortcode. DAP has already published it on your opt-in page. And your opt-in page is ready. Let's go ahead and check it out in the front end. That's it. You can see this is the opt-in page DAP has created. You can always update it. This is how it looks. It's a simple, basic opt-in page. And this button, this is from Smart Quiz Builder. When they click on it, they can sign up here. They can opt in here. It connects with DAP. So when they sign up through this opt-in form, they will be added to this product in DAP. They will get access to this product in DAP. DAP will send them the welcome email. And when they log in, they'll be sent to the dashboard where they can access this freebie. Let's go ahead and opt in here. I'm just using a dummy email here. So you can see this is the basic thank you page that was created by DAP. You can update the content and you should update the content. And that's it. All right. Now, at this point, DAP would have sent an email to the user, to the subscriber, and DAP would have sent them their login details. So if they log in using those credentials that they got in the welcome email, DAP will then send them to the page that you have configured in the backend, right? So in the rules tab, we said when someone logs in, send them to the dashboard. When they try to access the content in the dashboard for this product, allow them to access this PDF, right? So let's go ahead and test the login experience. So say that, the user got the login and is going now to the login page to log in. So let's do this. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as this user to test user experience. And here, this is the login page and DAP automatically creates the login page and everything, right? So this was created by DAP, but you can update it if you want in the backend. I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, so you can see here, this is the member dashboard page. And when users log in, they can update their profile, click on it to update their profile, and they will find all the products they have under their account. Currently, from my membership site, I only offer this one product. This is just a brand new membership site, and all I have is just this one product that I just created, right? So this is my lead magnet, and this is what this user has signed up for. So when they log in, they'll be sent to the dashboard where they can access this freebie. And if you have other products that you have created that this member has signed up for, they will find all the other products also. They will find product boxes for each one of the products. If you offer courses, there will be a different section here below it for your courses. Right now, I don't have anything else. So this member has just signed up for this. DAP knows who they are. DAP knows what they have. So it will show them the right things. Access content. I have connected it to the PDF. So when they click on it, they can access the PDF. And you can see here in the backend, in the rules tab of my lead magnet product, that's my setting. Where should they be sent when they click on the access content button in the dashboard? I send them directly to the PDF. So if you have multiple pieces of content, send them to the My Content page. Again, the page that was created by DAP, My Content page, you can send them there. But if you have just a single piece of content, in this case, just a PDF, directly connect them to the PDF URL. If you don't know what is your PDF URL, you can go to the Access Protect Content tab in DAP. And this is what this one is. Right click it, grab the link. That's it. All right. That's the URL of your PDF. You can enter that in the Rules tab and you're done. All right. So in the page builder, everything was built out by DAP. Save and next. All done. Your product is ready. All you have to do now is update your content, your opt-in page content and thank you page content, because DAP used AI to create it, but you should update it with your content, with your visuals right here. Whatever you want to say, DAP just makes it easy for you by creating, all these pages. But if you want to create your own opt-in page, if you don't want to use DAP to create the opt-in page, that's totally fine, right? All you have to do is after you create the page, just insert the DAP shortcode here so users can sign up, right? Those are the things you need. You need an opt-in page, you need a sign-up form, you need a thank you page to which users get sent after they opt in. So that's all you need. And if you don't want to use DAP, right, to create it, just update this right here, right? Update this with your opt-in page, update the thank you page with your thank you page URL. And opt-in page, you need a shortcode. You can create just that using DAP or using SQB. You can get DAP to just create your shortcode if you want, right? You don't have to create opt-in and thank you using DAP. Completely up to you. If you like your page builder, you know how to do it, or you already have these pages, you don't have to click on this to get DAP to create it, right? Just enter what you already have and just create your opt-in form using DAP or SQB, enter it here, and you're done. That's it, all right? So this is how you can get DAP to productize your lead magnet, and it's so easy, right? Same thing. Doesn't matter what products you want to offer, what content you want to offer. You can just upload it in the Assign Protect Content section. Now say that it's a checklist, right? And say that you're using Google Sheet to create your checklist. That's what I do. So if it's a checklist, because it's a Google Sheet, you cannot directly protect a Google Sheet link in DAP. It's a third-party URL. You cannot protect Google links directly in DAP. So in that case, what you can do is there's nothing to protect here, but you don't have to directly send them a link to the checklist or worksheet, right? That's what typically people do. If you sign up for a checklist or a worksheet, in the email, they're going to directly send you the link to access it. But then you're missing out on that opportunity to get them back to your site. So even though you don't have to protect it here, in the email, don't send them the link directly. Let them know that login to access it. When they log in, send them to the dashboard. And in the access content right here, right, connect this one to your checklist. So enter the URL of your Google Sheet or whatever it is, right, whatever content, enter that here. This way, they will go to the dashboard, and when they click on Access Content, they can access your freebie. You don't have to protect it, but they still need to log in to be able to access it. So earlier, I showed you how you can use DAP to protect your content. So you already have the content, you can upload it, and you can protect it in DAP. You can create a free product in DAP to productize your lead magnet. So I showed you how to do it, right? Now I'm going to show you how you can use DAP to create your freebie, right? So say that you want to create a PDF report and you want DAP to use AI to build it out for you. You can do that too. Let me show you how to do this. So go to DAP products page right here, click on create new and select product. Here, this is going to be a freebie. I'm going to select free, create from scratch or use AI. So earlier we used this option, create from scratch. Now I'm going to use this option, create using AI. So if you want to create a PDF or ebook, you can use this option. And next, do you want to use ChatGPT, which is completely free, or you want to use OpenAI? So here I'm going to select API call, use this. All right, what's the title? So if you are looking for some great PDF ideas, you can just click on this. And what's the main topic? Let's say list building. And when you click on generate, it's going to use AI to give you some great PDF ideas. Let's go ahead and do this. That's it. You can see. So you can pick any one of these. Let's say I go ahead and pick this one, the ultimate guide to building high converting email lists. So that's the report title, enter goal. So here, this one is optional. I'll just skip it. Product type, it's a free product. And language, select the language. Next. All right, so here, upload images for your first page and last page of PDF. Let's go ahead and do this. So what you should do is say that you know exactly, what your PDF title is going to be. Then before you use AI to build it out, first create a few images using a tool like Canva. You can create images for the first page of the PDF or the last page of PDF. And, in a future update, we are going to add a full-fledged PDF builder where you can build out your PDF using AI, and then you can upload it. You can do that. But for now, what you have to do is like create these images first before you use the PDF builder to build out your PDF. So I have uploaded these images here. Next. That's it. So DAP has used AI to create this report. You can see this is how it looks. This is a preview of the PDF. You can update it. I'm just going to use whatever AI has generated. I'm ready. Generate the PDF. That's it. You can see this is a product. And what DAP has done now, it has created the PDF and it has protected it under this product. So let's go ahead and edit this and let me show you. That's it, right? This is the product builder that I showed you earlier. Same steps, exact same steps, except if you go to the assign and protect content section, you can see this is the PDF that DAP has created for you, right? I didn't have to upload anything because I used AI to create it. But what DAP does is it will upload it to WordPress Media and then it's going to show you here, right? And this is the URL of your PDF. You can grab this if you want. This is the link. This is the PDF. And, you can use this initial draft. This is how it looks. It looks amazing. You can copy the content and then you can use your, PDF editor to create a nice looking PDF, add more images, relevant, images and stuff like that to make it look great. And that's it, right? And then you can delete this one and upload your updated PDF. You can do that, all right? And in the rules tab, the main thing is that post login redirect, always send them to the dashboard, right? So I'm going to update this. I don't want to directly send them to the PDF when they log in. I want to send them to my dashboard. And I want them to click the button that says access this PDF, access this content, and then I want to give them access to this PDF. So this one should be the URL of your PDF. That's what I have here. And if you don't know what the URL is, you can always go to the Assign Protect Content tab, right-click it, and grab the URL and enter that here. That's it, all right? Page Builder step. So here, just like I showed you earlier, you can use DAP to create your opt-in page. You can use DAP to create your thank you page for this PDF, all right? So I'm not going to go through these steps again, but this is how it works. This is how you can create an opt-in page, thank you page, and PDF is already there. And DAP will send them a welcome email with their login details. Be sure to update the content right here in the email notification tab. This is the email they're going to get after they sign up, right? And in the page builder step, DAP will create your opt-in, DAP will create your thank you page, DAP will publish a registration form on the opt-in page so your users can opt in and get access to this PDF. When they opt in, DAP will send them the welcome email that you set up here with their login details. And when they log in, where they get sent, that DAP figures out based on the rules, right? If you say redirect them here, that's where they will be sent. And once they go there, then how do they access it? So that's why you should link it to your content, to your free content. That's it, right? This is how it works. As you can see, it's really easy. It doesn't matter if you already have the content or you use DAP to create the content. You can use DAP to easily productize your freebie. And you can get DAP to create your opt-in thank you registration form, and you can completely automate the lead magnet delivery using DAP. So as you can see, it's really easy to get DAP to create your freebies and offer it from your membership site. And this is how you should start a membership site. Start with the freebie, get familiar with the tech, get familiar with how to create an opt-in page, how to create a thank you page, how to test user experience, how to troubleshoot problems. And once you get familiar with this, then it's going to be so easy when you want to create your paid offers, paid products, courses, everything. In the next lesson, I'll take you behind the scenes and we will build out a paid offer, right? We're going to create a sales page. We're going to create a payment button. I'll show you exactly how you can do all of that. And be sure to watch the next lesson.